Wrong move? Nurses Association explains what it thinks about the Chapelton hospital midwife accused of telling a woman to go to another hospital only for her to give birth on a sidewalk. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, negligence, while family says Maypen Hospital killed their relative and what hospital authorities are saying.
Collapse, what's behind the latest accident at a Royalton hotel site.
Brazen, what really happened during a bank robbery in St. Elizabeth. We get a first-hand account.
Face off, entertainment officials, cops and businessmen on collision course in Negril because of night noise crackdown.
And in business news, working, the latest unemployment figures.
There's also sports commentary, e-prime and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you think the police are doing enough to address the crime problem in West Kingston?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.